Okay, everybody, video update. Hey Jason, where are we?
This is the fort.
This is the fort. What do you feel like doing?
We want to jump here. In my bowl.
Nice clear water.
This is the first time we've touched water in the Philippines.
Yeah?
Not on the beach.
Not on the beach. This is as close as you can get. Nadia. It's pretty clean, huh?
Yep.
That beam is easy.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Fuck.
Fuck? Really? Fuck?
Fucking cunt.
I kill you, son. Watch out. Probably doing that down the state there, right?
It's to your right. You're looking the wrong way.
Run me over.
You might have to ride your bikes and shit.